All right, here we go. I am so excited right now because I have been waiting for this tide around this time. Whoa, check this out. That's I doubt anybody brought that. I'm not sure how that got here. Anyways, we'll put these down for a quick second here so I can fill you. All right, so I'm gonna put those down for a quick second so I can fill you guys in. Now, I have been waiting for this tide around this time of the day for a while now. I came out here one time at about 9 o'clock at night with this exact same tide, and I murdered here. I caught, I don't know how many snooks, how many trouts, and it was just non-stop action. Let me give you a little bit of perspective here. This is my usual spot. Usually the water is right about here. Look how low it is. That doesn't get too exposed unless we're working with a negative tide. So what's happening here is all this water is flowing out right now, and everything is gonna get trapped right in here. So anyways, man, I'm just super excited right now. I have been waiting for this and watching the tides for a very long time, and I can't believe I got the perfect time. I got that low light, the sun's going down, I've got no wind, I got a current flow. We're about to hit a slack tide, but trust me, this place is still gonna be popping. I can switch over to this one. All right, so that was 3 casts in, 3 or 4 casts, and being that I'm here at this spot, I expect more, especially at a time like this. All right, let's go with a different profile here. Yeah, that is unusual. Ooh, I just got thumped. Finally, something. 2 months, right? Here. Come through. Ooh, felt a little thumper. Something thumping down there. Give it a little quick moment for it to sink down to the bottom, and then I'm gonna change up this retrieval and make it a little more aggressive here. Let's go more straight retrieval here. There you go. There you go. Changed up the retrieval. Immediate action, baby. Let's get him in. It's a trout. It's a nice little trout. There you go. Changed up the retrieval. Boom, immediate action. Let's get that hand wet. Come here, buddy. Ooh, he's so pretty. Man, he's so shiny. Let me get this out of your mouth. There you go, guys. First catch of the day. Back in business. So, changed up the retrieval. You know, I was bobbing it along the bottom. It wasn't working for me. And nothing. Just basically started retrieving it real nice and steady. Ooh, I got thumped as soon as I took my freaking hand off the reel. There you go. There you go. It's another trout. Same spot. Same retrieval. They must be sitting down there just kind of hanging out, waiting to come up and pounce on the bait. Nice little here's another little guy. There you go. Woo, shiny, man. Shiny and beautiful. Real shiny. So anybody that uses this, has seen this and knows about this, knows what's up. I'm going with a heavier profile today, a bigger one. I want to get bigger fish. Dude, did you just see that? That was right there at my feet. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Get in the water. Calm down. Oof, that was right there at my feet. That was right there at my feet. Oh, he's still a little... He's got a ton of energy in him. He's got a ton of energy. Oof. Calm down, man. Come here, buddy. Come here. He's not gonna get off that Yo-Zuri, trust me. Those treble hooks, those things don't play. Ooh, he got it all up in his gills. Let's get him back out. Let's give him a good release. And there we go. Nice snook. That was my second cast. Did not take long. Let's give him a good release. You got some air in you? There you go, sir. Yeah. Trout, snook. You know what I'm looking for. That Yo-Zuri, man, that thing is so badass. And it's down there definitely making a ton of racket. It's just creating so much vibration. And the white and the red, for some reason, man, the white and the red, you just can't go wrong with it. Caught it. Yeah, right at my feet too. He actually came all the way up for it.
What is it?
As a snook. I hope I got that on film. It was right here at my feet. He came right up to it. Scooped it. Oh, it's all the way in his mouth. That's all right, that's all right. Good, good, good. Come here, buddy. One hook off. Not a big fan of these treble hooks. He's a little bigger though. So this one is gonna come out pretty easily. The part. Okay. Woo! Snook number 2. Look how pretty this guy is. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful, beautiful snook. Look at those freaking... Oof. Let's give him a nice release. Ooh. All right, I guess he had other plans besides what I was gonna do, but... So yeah, man, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see that on film, but I actually was able to see him come up, scoop it, and try to turn around and get out of here. Again, I didn't even have to reel in. They're just sitting right there. Right there. So let's keep it going. Got him. That's a good snook. That's a good snook. That's a good size snook right there. That's a bigger boy. Make sure he doesn't pop me off. Yeah. Make sure he gets tired. Don't get me on that rock. Oh, he's foul hooked too. That's probably why he's so much stronger. He just went over that rock. Come here, buddy. Look at the dolphins feeding. Come here, buddy. He's a little angry. He's gonna be kind of angry. Come here. Done fighting? Alright, let me get this off of you. Let me get this one off of you. He's a little bigger, but he put up a bigger fight just because he was foul hooked. There you go. He's a little bigger. There you go, sir. Have a good day. So I just kept trying for a little bit longer, but nothing happened. I was hoping for the bigger profile, for the bigger fish, but it didn't work out today. Maybe next time. Either way, I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate everything. Always remember to subscribe, like, and comment. If there's anything you want to say, please say it, man. I love the feedback. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. These videos are going to continue coming.